If you're tired of manually managing support emails and want a way to automatically turn them into trackable tickets, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to streamline that process and get organized in no time. First things first, you need a system that can automatically convert your support emails into tickets. This eliminates the need to manually copy-paste or create tickets from scratch. The solution? A help desk or ticketing software that integrates with your email system, so every incoming email is turned into a trackable ticket. The first step is setting up the software. Most help desk tools allow you to connect your email address to their platform. Once connected, the software automatically grabs every support email that comes in, turning each one into a unique ticket. The great thing about this is that these tickets come with their own ID number, making it super easy to track, prioritize, and resolve each case. No more searching through your inbox for that one email you need to follow up on. Now, let's get to the automation part. With the right settings in place, the software can assign each ticket to the appropriate team member. You can set up rules for automatic ticket assignment based on keywords in the email, so your team knows exactly where to focus. For example, if an email contains the word billing, it can be automatically routed to your billing department. If the email mentions technical issue, it can go to tech support. This level of automation saves time and keeps your team organized. Another great feature is ticket categorization. Many help desk tools will automatically categorize tickets based on the content of the email, whether it's a technical issue, account question, or something else. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that tickets are categorized correctly for faster resolution. Once a ticket is created, you can set up notifications for both your team and the customer. This means your customer will know that their issue is being worked on and can even track the progress of their ticket in real time. And your team gets instant notifications, so no one misses a ticket, even if it's urgent. But here's the best part: tracking. With this system, every single support email is now trackable. You can see how long it takes to resolve each ticket, what kind of issues are coming in, and which team member is handling what. This kind of data is invaluable when you're trying to improve your support process over time. If you've tried all the popular ticketing software options and want something that works seamlessly, I've got something special for you. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using today. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To wrap things up, remember that turning support emails into trackable tickets automatically is all about finding the right software, setting up email integration, and using automation to streamline your support process. The key takeaway is that automation saves you time, reduces human error, and keeps your team organized. It's a game changer for any business looking to improve their support workflow. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and take your support system to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.